All right, let's go over the pots and utensils that we're going to need. We need a small saucepan, and we're going to be making vegetable stock in that. We're going to make vegetable stock instead of just putting straight water in, because I think it has a much better flavor. We're going to make our cilantro rice in here. We're going to have some oil, and then we're going to toast our rice, and then we're going to chop cilantro. We're going to put our veggie stock in, bring it to a boil, then we're going to put our cover on. We're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until all the liquid's evaporated, and then we're going to top it again with cilantro. We're going to use one frying pan or a saute pan. We're going to be cooking our shrimp in here as well as our black bean oyster sauce. And again, the sauce is in two parts, so we're going to be combining our two sauces into one with our shrimp, and then we're going to pull our shrimp out when they're about halfway done, and then return them once those two sauces are blended together. Now, because we're making two sauces, we're going to need two bowls. One of these bowls is going to be for our black bean sauce, and the other one is going to be for our shiitake mushroom sauce. We're going to be soaking our shiitakes in this bowl here in hot water for about 5 minutes, then we're going to take them out and we're going to use that liquid again. We have this bowl right here that's going to be for our shrimp shells. We're going to have a can opener because we have some beans. We're going to be stirring our sauces a couple of times, so we're going to have a small spoon as well as the larger spoon, which we're going to use to stir up our sauce. We're going to be using a measuring spoon, measuring cup, a knife to cut our vegetables, a cutting board, and because we're using shrimp, we're going to use these plastic gloves.